Silence, a simple moment, a quiet breath, a space where the world finally stops moving. But today, silence is disappearing, not because we lost it, but because the world has become too loud to hear it. This is the story of why silence, something once ordinary, has become a luxury. Every year, the world gets louder, more traffic, more screens, more notifications, more voices competing for our attention. Noise used to be temporary, now it's constant. A background hum we've learned to ignore but never truly escape. And the louder the world becomes, the more valuable silence becomes. Noise doesn't just fill the air, it fills the mind, it raises stress, it drains focus, it steals our ability to think deeply. We weren't designed for endless stimulation. We were built for constant alerts. We weren't meant to live in a world where silence feels strange or even uncomfortable, but that's where we are when the noise finally stops. Something powerful happens. Your brain resets. Your thoughts settle. Your stress melts. Your creativity returns. Silence isn't empty. It's full of clarity, full of ideas, full of the thoughts you've been too busy to hear. Silence is not the absence of sound. It's the presence of yourself. We live in a world designed to keep us stimulated. Apps want our attention, ads want our eyes, platforms want our time. Silence doesn't make money, noise does. So silence slowly disappeared, not because we chose it, but because everything around us was built to replace it. Today, quiet spaces are rare. A quiet room, a quiet morning, a quiet mind. These used to be normal. Now they feel like privileges, moments we have to search for, protect, and sometimes fight to keep. Silence has become a luxury because the world around us forgot how important it is. But here's the truth. Silence is still there, waiting, patient, unchanged. We just have to choose it, to step away from the noise, to turn off the world for a moment, to breathe and listen, because in the quiet, you hear the things that matter. Today, give yourself 5 minutes. No phone, no music, no distractions, just silence. Just breath, just you. You'll be surprised how loud your life has been and how much you needed the quiet.